The April 15th deadline it's not real. Like, don't believe in that.
What are the one or two tax decisions that you see that have the biggest downstream impact on client outcomes later this year?
One of the biggest things is planning it out ahead of time. Sometimes we just have this thing in the back of our head of, oh God, it's coming, it's coming, it's coming. And I've got stuff in place and I know how to do the work and I've done my brush up on the tax law changes that we've had, especially this year, some massive ones. And we feel ready with that. But I think one of the biggest things that can be done is really diving in and figuring out, how do I get my clients on the same page as me? How do I make sure that I'm not creating the same time stressors that I did in the prior year, and having that early and often communication with our clients that is saying, okay, here's where hopefully we've already done some planning. Here's where we're going to net out. But planning your clients throughout the year, one of the biggest things that I keep saying is the April 15th deadline it's not real. Like, don't believe in that. Yes, we do have to get our projections done by then. Yes, we did, because even if you're going to extend, we all know it's an extension of time to file, not time to pay. But there's a really good reason for extensions, and being able to plan our time out and make sure that our clients are on that same page and understand when their tax return is going to fall, what they need and needing to get to you in time, and communicating those expectations very much up front. That is one of the key decisions that you can make and key things that you can put in place right off the bat to make sure you have a smooth and not super stressful tax season.
Absolutely. Like you said, it really isn't about tax season itself. It's about the full year, taking advantage of all the time you have to make sure that you're prepared, you're on the same page, like you said, and you're ready to go. So when tax season hits, it's not about scrambling to get everything together. You've got your plan laid out, you have everything you need, and now you're able to hit the ground running, and you're not having these unfortunate kind of hiccups that can occur. I'm curious too, Megan, are there any behaviors that you see from clients of yours, or any like operating cadences that you like to input to help with making it more of a full year relationship than just like hey, tax season's a week away, how do we get ready?